Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the name of the channel, MBAP, and this video we are going to talk about the new pattern of NMAT exam. Okay, so all right, so before I go ahead with the topic, okay, so I just want to make sure that you guys have subscribed to our channel, okay, and you are following us on Instagram as well. Okay, so make sure that you're doing this, okay, because these are all the benefits that you will be getting there. Okay, all right, so further, if I have to tell you that which is like what exactly is the changes, so look at this slide, okay, and I have taken this thing from our from the NMAT website itself. Okay, so this is the new pattern. Okay, this entire thing, okay, gives you the summary and the explanation of that, and this is the old pattern. Okay, so in the thumbnail out there, okay, I told you that it is a good news. Okay, it's a good news for people who don't like cons. Okay, the reason I'm saying that, look at this. Okay, that cons earlier was 48 questions, now it has come down to 36. Okay, so there is good -12 that has happened, okay, in the number of cons questions here. Okay, yes, definitely there is a reduction in time as well. Okay, from 60 it has come down to 52. That's just 8 minutes less. Okay, however, if you see that where is this change and this impact has come, this has actually added questions, okay, on the con side, sorry, logical, this language skill side, which is verbal. Verbal was 32 questions, now it has become 36 questions, which is a total of +4. Okay, however, okay, the time limit has also increased, and they have increased the time limit by 6 minutes out there. Okay, so over here it is a -8 minutes, over here it is a +6 minutes. Now if you look at the number of logical reasoning question, over here it is 36, here it is 40. However, if you look at the total number of questions has also changed. Earlier it was 120 and now it is 108. And if you look at like 40 out of 130, which was 1/3, okay, that was like 33%, which is still the same. So the weightage of logical reasoning, okay, though if you look at the number of questions, it is -4, but weightage wise logical reasoning is still the same, which is like 1/3 of the paper. Logical reasoning was 1/3 of the paper, now also it is 1/3 only. So there is not much of difference in terms of the weightage of logical reasoning, but yes, the weightage of cons has definitely come down. Okay, it has come down. Earlier it was 48 questions. Okay, that was on a higher side. Okay, and now it is only 36 questions. Okay, in terms of even the weightage, if you see, I think this was close to 40%. Okay, earlier, and now it has come down to just 33.33%. Okay, which is 1/3. So definitely a good amount of changes out there. Okay, especially for people who don't like cons. Okay, and there you see that it has earlier it had more weightage, okay, towards cons, and now that thing has come down. What is the main takeaway out there is this, that understand guys, this entire 36 questions will also be broken down into data interpretation and cons, right? Okay, this will also be broken down like this. So even if I take like say around 10 to 15 questions on data interpretation, that means you are end up only with 20 questions on cons. Okay, close to 20 questions on cons. Okay, so that was not the case earlier. Okay, earlier you had got good amount of cons questions. Okay, so close to around 30 questions. Okay, at times used to come on cons. So this is a good change. Okay, there. Now you need to take advantage. Okay, where, okay, the main advantage is for people who are good in verbal. Okay, people who are good with their language skills, उनको बहुत फायदा होने वाला है, because there you see here, okay, that the questions have increased, okay, and the time also has increased by a good margin there. 6 minutes of increase in language skills is a good thing. So guys, yes, okay, now that the old pattern is out and you have the new pattern in, okay, you should start solving in this particular manner. Okay, people who are focusing on NMAT. Achha, one thing which is the question mark here, okay, that you see that the score range is given to you as 0 to 120, 0 to 120, 0 to 120. Now, because we knew that earlier it was a +3, okay, for everything, and then there was no negative. Now, if you go on the website of NMAT website, okay, you will not see any comment there, okay, with respect to no negative. So till now there is no negative के ऊपर कुछ assurity नहीं है, okay, because it is not mentioned. Though we are just at this point of time we can assume that there is not any change in the test score and all that, but I'm not sure much, okay, with what this 0 to 120, 0 to 120, 0 to 120 means out there, okay. So because even if you take it like 3 marks, okay, if you take for 3 marks, then too it is not 120. If you take it for 4 marks, then too it is not 120. So or else this might be a scaled score, okay, that everything is going to be scaled between 0 to 120. That can be a scenario. So however, we can only assume on that part. We cannot be very sure of what is happening there. So yes guys, okay, this is what I wanted to discuss you in detail about the new NMAT pattern and how and what kind of people can take advantage of this, okay. Alright, so if I go to the next slide, okay, and that talks about the dates, okay, because that is also important. So make sure that you guys are following the dates, okay, so because the dates are out, okay, between this COVID scenario, okay, people were confused that what is going to happen with this year's exam. So guys, be at peace, okay, that your exams, they are the MBA entrance exams, which is NMAT, CAT and all that, okay, because all of that is going to start quite late this year. I mean, that's usually the schedules. Like, say for example, this exam is starting from 6th of October. So definitely by October, everything, okay, we hope that everything will be fine by that time. Even UGC, okay, even UGC has given this notification that all the colleges will start from September. Okay, the new batch and everything will start from September. So definitely October onwards, okay, things should be fine. And so yes, okay, guys, you don't have to take any pressure with regards to what's going to happen with your exams. Okay, the exam dates and everything is fine. If NMAT is starting on its regular time, okay, I think you should not expect that CAT is going to be delayed or anything like that. It's not going to happen, okay. So yes, okay, this is what is there with respect to dates. Okay, now I have one more thing to show you guys. Okay, so this is basically our complete online program that we have. Okay, you can go through this. So yes, we have our results. Okay, we have students who have cracked all the exams right from IIMs to XLRI, SIBM and NMIMS. So this is what we have, okay, and you can just pause our video and see this. Okay, you can definitely avail for one of our free demo sessions. Okay, the contact number is given there. You can message on these numbers and avail for a free demo session as well. Okay, and this is our program details, okay, which comes with a money back guarantee, and that's the assurance of the quality of the training that we are giving. Okay, so you see here, these are all our details of the program that you're going to get. Okay, we have 3 live sessions which is happening every week with IIM Mentors. Okay, we have you'll be getting recordings and everything is there. Okay, there's no view restrictions. Okay, so we have special IIM batches and JBIMS Bajaj batches. So we have got all those things. Okay, so I'm just going to suggest you that go ahead and avail for a demo class, because that is how it is going to give you a clear picture of what all things we are offering. Alright, so these are various other things, okay, that we are offering in our classroom tools with regards to the highest number of coaching hours, okay, the 3-level lecture plan. Okay, we have all of that, okay, that you can go through and avail in our coaching program. Okay, we are also giving you a lot of online tools, so make sure that you can get advantage of these online tools as well. Alright, and then obviously the entire course also includes the group discussion and personal interview programs and everything, all mocks and everything is there. Okay, so yes, okay, we have the flat, okay, 3000 discount which is going on right now. So you guys can whoever is going to ping us, okay, after looking at this video, I'm only going to say that you can tell us on the group that you have watched this video and you want to avail for this discount, so that you guys can avail this offer as well. Okay, alright, so thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe to our channel and like this video if you got the required information, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.